Hello everyone, this is KC868. Last video, we have shown you the tablet of Windows operation system. It can control the 32 relay output and get all the sensor data from the COL logic controller. All these buttons and the sensor data on this pad window. So some people have asked me some questions, whether the program can run it on the Windows PC or whether the program can install in your own tablet. So I answer your questions. It's no problem. This can run on Windows PC or Windows tablet because we write the code by the support of the Windows system. It's easy to extend the function and for update new functions. So in this video, I will tell you how to install this program on a Windows PC and also how to install on the tablet. The first time, you can open our website to download the tablet program or the Windows program. You can go to the software and document. And you can find the program on these items. KBOX-Pad for Windows PC or Windows tablet. This is support for 10-inch display. So you can download. I have already downloaded. This is the files. This is the program file and the config file. And in next, we just configure these files for your relay controller and your COL logic controller. It's very easy. Before we use this program, we just open this by the notepad. You can see this is the device IP and port, and this is COL's IP and port. This is for relay controller. So you just input and change your controller's IP and port. Just replace these two items. So you can see your IP and port. Like this 32 relay board, you can go to the website just according to your IP address, open the browser to login, and you can see the IP and the port. Make sure your work mode is TCP server. This means the controller is work in your local network. It can work without internet. Internet block is no problem. Also can running this program in your home network. And this I have connected the LAN with the Ethernet. If you use the Wi-Fi connect the relay controller, you can also set the Wi-Fi work mode to TCP server and choose the Wi-Fi IP address in this, and the port is the same. So you just fill these two items. I have already changed it. So you can close the saved, and you can open this application. You can see this main window. You can see when I open the window, the icon, the colorful, it means the relay is open. And if close, the icon will be not colorful. So when I open the application, the state is auto feedback from the controller. So make sure the state of all relays have the same state with the relay controller. And this is for the COL's logical controller state, digital input and analog input and the temperature. So it's very easy. Just set the IP and port, open the window. You can directly to use. You can see this hardware is changed. Also, you can turn off and all on, and we can change. So this is to configure the IP and the port. If you want to change the item, the software item, and the copyright information, and the name and the icon, you just change this config file. This is the software title. We can open this. This is software title is KC868 Smart Home Control System. You can change to your company or your project name. your project. And this is copyright made by Kinkoni. You just display on this position. You can just made by like your name. You can write it by your name. And this light 1 to light 32. Every relay, this is every relay's name. This light is this one, and this cut is this one, and this hit is this one. So you just change this name like 11, 22, 33. Okay. This is input, digital input name. This digital input name is this way. You can also change to input A or input B. Then we can close and save the file. Okay, when close the window and we open the application again. Okay, you can see the title is changed and the name is changed. And this is also changed. So it's very easy. If you want to change the icon, such as the first relay and the second relay, all is the lamp. So I can change this icon. Just this have 32 icon. We can copy this, and I can rename this for other names like this, because I change light 2, because the name must light 1, light 2, light 3, light 4 until light 32. So just as rename as this type, you can load from the application. You can see this 2 lamp is changed. So you can use any icons. You can also download from the icon from the website. Like this website, you can find many icons. You can download and change it for you to use. Like lamp, you can see many lamps. Then you can choose the download, and you can resize. You can resize 50 pixel, so the program can be loaded. So it's very easy. And now we can use the window for relay control, and this COL for another attention. Before you use the COL, you need to use our PC software for COL. This window, you can connect to the COL logic controller and make sure auto report is enabled. So the data will auto report to tablet. And make sure the settings. The temperature is changed to this value, and the voltage is changed to this value, and will auto send the information by this 10 interview to your computer or to your tablet. So this is important. Must need firstly to change the settings and enable the auto report. Then you just close. You just disconnect, close, and open this. And open this, it can auto receive this information, all this information. Like I did to open the door. You can see it turned red, and I recover. Open the door. You can see this, and also we can input the different voltage. You can see the voltage is input. So the state is changed, and the temperature is changed, and the analog is changed. Then it changed will auto send. It will not always send because it wastes time and wastes resource. So when changed, as you set in the value, it will auto send the information. So this is how to use the PC program running on the Windows PC. How to use the tablet for yourself. you just copy this file or copy this folder to your tablet. This is our tablet. You can set the disk C for show the disk for the network. So you just can remote open the disk C and copy your KBOX-Pad folder to this operation. I have already copied to this operation. Okay, I can open the application. It's the same window. We can press on this. Now I open this software. Now you can see I open the light one and close the light one. You can see the tablet is also updated. If I use the remote, you can see the light one and the PC light one is also changed when I use the panel, switch panel, and when I close, you can see my PC also is updated. And also I can use a mobile phone. If I use mobile phone, also update. You can see the door sensor. When I open the door, you can see it's red, and the window on the PC also is red. When I close, you can see it's turned green, and the window also turned green. So the state is the same. The tablet and the Windows PC is a client for the controller. The max number is 7 devices. So 7 devices can work at the same time, connect to Win10 controller. So this is how to use the tablet and the Windows PC program by yourself. This is all work on the local network. I have to see again, some people have see the security for the data security. So it's not, don't worry. This is all work at the local network, not use the cloud server without internet. We not use any information of your data, and we not get any information of your sensor. Thanks for watching.